Hello everybody, my name is Kweku Bani and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Alright, so guys, go to Photoshop. Let's go here. Now I'm going to leave a link to this particular mockup in the description, okay? But anytime you design a flyer or a logo, you want your client to see the professional side of it. You just don't want the client to see how you just design. He needs to see the finished product, right? And so that's what sometimes mockups do. They let the client see exactly what you are he's going to have at the end of the day. Okay, so I'm going to leave a link to this in the description. What you're going to do is you're going to click here where it says place your design. Double click there. You can delete all these, they are not needed. You can delete all of them. And then your flyer, the flyer you created, assuming it's not a square flyer but a rectangular flyer like this, portrait flyer like this, you just have to resize it over there nicely and then click here and then click save, and it's going to be here. Okay, so this is basically how you create a flyer like this. Now we do this because we want the client to see how professional we are. Anytime you create a flyer, this is how you're supposed to do it. This is how you're supposed to do it, guys. This is how you're supposed to do it. And then also we also have this as well for you to use. The same thing, the same stuff. Okay, so you click here, delete everything, bring your flyer there, and then you resize it. Just resize it, that's all. Just resize it. Okay, then you click here and then you click yes, and you're still gonna have it there nicely. And so anytime you design a poster, a portrait size poster, A4 sheet poster, okay, make sure you send it like this to the client. Let the client see, is it nice for them? Do they want it like this or stuff like that? If it's a banner you're going to print and put it out, exactly. This is not for social media. If it's for social media, you can just send it to them. But if it is for poster and banner, is going to put it out there, marketing stuff, make sure you send it to them like this. It's very important, else you'll be losing all your clients all the time. People keep on asking me why don't I get the contracts, or why do they pay me less? It's because you are not acting like a professional. Always act like a professional, okay? Send it to them like this and they'll be so grateful. So I thank you all for listening to me, and please subscribe to this channel, like it. If you think you want more of these videos, please leave a comment in the comment section for me to also review, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Peace out. I love you all.